If you're facing a problem where your Snapchat account is permanently locked, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Snapchat locked account. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the first link. And now this is where what you want to do is simply go ahead and search for this little tab right over here, which is appeal. Now inside of appeal, you want to simply go ahead and search for the appeal site. If you don't find it, you can also simply search for unlock Snapchat account. Here, you want to simply go ahead and look for the tab which says accounts.snapchat.com, and this is where you can simply go ahead and try logging in order to unlock your account right over here. If that doesn't work, then you might need to simply go ahead and open Snapchat, and there might be an appeal button. Simply go ahead and appeal through this. If that is not the case, then you might have lost that account. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.